Good afternoon to all of you. Today we will learn chapter number 10 of class 10th, light, reflection and refraction. And in today class we will learn the topic reflection. In our today class under the topic reflection we will discuss what is reflection of light, what are laws of reflection of light, the properties of image formed by plane mirror. So, see first of all what is light. We know that light is a form of energy which help us to see the object around us. In absence of light we cannot see the object around us. So, light and eyes both help us to see the object. Light is also considered a wave, light is also considered a particle. So, nowadays light is considered as a dual nature particle as well as wave. About this dual nature of light you will learn in the higher classes. In lower classes you also know that light is always travel in a straight line. You also saw an activity in class 6 also. To do this activity you can take a chart paper, fold it and now take a torch, on the torch and then see the light travel through this hollow space of this chart paper. Now bend the chart paper and see, are you get or are you obtain the light? No. So, this activity so that light is always travel in a straight line. In a straight line in class 10th standard, now we will see what is reflection of light. So, let us see the definition of reflection of light. Reflection of light. The bouncing back of light, the bouncing back of light in the same medium on striking from the opaque object or on striking from the surface is called reflection of light. You can define it also. When light falls on a surface or smooth, this surface return back light into the same medium. This phenomena is also known as reflection of light and it is take place by a smooth surface, highly polished surface or mirror. Now, second is laws of reflection of light. There are two laws of reflection of light. First is the incident ray comma the refracted ray, and the normal at the point of incidence, at the point of incidence, all lie in the same plane. The second law of reflection of light is the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. If angle of incidence is I, then angle of reflection is R. So it is also known as angle I equal angle R. We can understand it with the help of the diagram also. That is, this is surface or mirror, and this is the incident ray, this is incident ray, this is the refracted ray, incident ray, reflected ray, and this is the normal, and this is the painted part of this surface or glass. So let us see these law again. First law, the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. This is the first law. Second law, the angle of incidence, the angle between incident ray and the normal, the angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. This is called second law. So we can understand these two laws with the help of the diagram also, as you already understood in lower classes. It is clear to all of you. And the important things is here also, these laws of reflection of lights are applicable whether it is plane surface or spherical surface, means these are applicable all type of mirror. Now the last point, that is properties of image formed by plane mirror. What type of image formed by the plane mirror? First is, the image formed by the plane mirror is the image formed by plane mirror is virtual and erect. Virtual and erect. The image formed by the plane mirror is virtual and erect, means virtual means it cannot be obtained on the screen, erect means it is upside right image. Second is the image is same size, the image is same size to the object. The image is same size to the object. The third is the image is formed as far behind as the object place in front of mirror. And the last is the image formed by the plane mirror is laterally inverted. It is laterally inverted. Laterally inverted means the image in which the object, the right part of the object become left and the left part of the object become right, or it is vice versa. So, if we saw the properties of images formed by the plane mirror, the image formed by the plane mirror is always virtual and erect. The image formed by the plane mirror is the same size to the object. The image formed behind the mirror as the object placed in front of the mirror means it is formed at same distance. Third is the image formed by the plane mirror is laterally inverted. So, these are the topic we have covered in our today class. The rest topic of this chapter we will cover in the next class. Thank you very much for watching this video.